Alright, Bucky. You ready to go play some disc golf? Let's go disc golf. We are having the hardest time trying to find a decent gas station. All we want is, I want water.
I need Red Bull.
Jeremy needs some caffeine. I hope he gets it soon and he's not gonna fall asleep while he's driving. Okay. Where's the front? That is legit.
Oh yeah, that's. Which way is it?
I don't know that it matters how big is that. How do you play it? Look at these little things. What's that? Look at these.
This is the 13th annual the 13th annual Piney Woods Open, presented by Dynamic Discs and the Rose City District.
They're interviewing Will and Steve-O for a local TV station.
It's all about having
Are
fun.
you going to want to interview Steve-O? This is tournament director.
Don't worry about it. Y'all are good.
Oh, sure. Yeah, Steve-O, no, Steve-O. Come on, Steve-O. Sit down.
I'll get some video of it.
Thank you guys so much.
Yeah, thanks for coming out. Thank you.
Oh, Steve, I'll interview you, Steve.
Hey,
What is disc golf?
disc golf.
Yeah.
What is disc golf? That's such a loaded question. Everybody watching knows what disc golf is, right?
Maybe, maybe not.
So disc golf.
What is disc golf to you?
Disc golf to me, life.
Yeah, thanks. All right, it's lunchtime. Time to try something new. I'm gonna try this place.
You know, the fact that it says cafe makes me
Does it make you nervous?
kind of nervous.
Why?
I don't know. I just never.
You think it's just gonna be a big
Mexican
buffet?
Cafe? I don't know.
You don't know.
I just don't know.
Good, how are you?
Thank you. Have a great day. Back to you.
Doesn't it look good? Honoring all veterans.
We're gonna be okay.
Oh man! Stupid
That's how
monkey.
you control the customer here.
Well, that was some good Mexican food. Thank you. Mercy got 'em. Look at these guys. What are they doing? What are y'all doing?
We're gonna go eat.
It's pretty good food.
It is.
Free sopapillas.
And ice cream.
Uh-huh.
Mommy,
What?
we got things to do. Come on. Quit messing around all the time. What do you guys think about these fabrics?
Ooh, these people getting they're getting the 411, huh?
Uh-oh, are you doing live?
No, we're not live.
We need to make a decision
What are we making the decision about, Jeremy?
on
Is this glass bone open stuff?
what's going on with stuff.
Oh, I better turn it off. Turn it off.
Bobby.
What? Yeah. Oh, that is awesome. Look at that throw. So if you're new to disc golf, or maybe just new to like touring and traveling, one of the cool things about disc golfers is that you're always going to have the people that like to just camp out, the people that like nature. And these people came to play in the Piney Woods Open, and they brought their tents, and they have their own little village here. I think that's pretty cool.
That was too cool, man.
Where's our karma?
Hey, buddy. So when I heard that we were going to come out to Piney Woods, we were going to come out to Tyler, Texas for the Piney Woods Open, I looked at the schedule and I saw that one of the activities was a dog show, a canine, what's it called? I forget the name of it, hold on. It's called Bill McFarland and his Champion Canine Z. They'll be doing a Frisbee expedition. So a Frisbee expedition with some canines. How cool is that?
Come on, get up here, get another one. 2. Get another one, get another one. 3, now come on, ready. There we go. Come on, hup. There we go, yeah. There we go. Go. Run then.
All right, we're at the, this isn't really the players party, but it's like I don't know what it is, but Steve-O put together this really cool little gathering. I think you come here to eat a little bit, and then you're gonna go play some glow golf. I don't know if I'll be able to get the glow golf, because I've tried to film the glow golf, and I can't get it to look right. I don't know why. Pretty cool little place.
1 minute show. Okay. Oh, you asked them? I asked them.
Have you guys ever had one of these, the soda machines where you get like, you can choose whatever soda you want? It's like, I can never make up my mind what I want. And then even the choices you make, you got all kinds of different other choices. If you're ever in the area playing a Texas tournament and you have the chance to meet Mr. A-Ray, you need to meet Mr. A-Ray. Let's see if we can get the good word from Mr. A-Ray.
The good word?
What's the good word, A-Ray?
The good word is, man, I hope I can make these putts on this marksman.
What's the secret to good putting, A-Ray?
The secret to good putting is focus. It is, when I see what players make good focus, if you can do 2 things, you can putt well. One is have a consistent release, and the other is good focus. Doesn't matter whether you're hyzer, flat, spin, push, all that stuff, doesn't matter, you're comfortable with. If you can make consistent release point and have good focus, you can become a great putter.
And that's the good word from A-Ray.
Good word.
Bye.
Ball.